Hey everyone, Brian from WorkshopAddict.com, and we have an awesome giveaway that's going to end on February 28th. So mark your calendar and subscribe to this channel so you're sure to watch that giveaway video so that you can get back with us in time to win this awesome Milwaukee Gen 2 M12 FUEL drill and driver kit. This is model number 2598-22, and it's going to come with everything you see here. You have a drill with a 4.0 amp hour battery. You have an impact driver, and this has the 2.0 amp hour battery on it. It comes with a charger and a case. Now, if you haven't seen our video on this, we compare it to another small drill, and these tools rock. Nice, small and lightweight, simple to use. So again, get in this, go below, leave a comment on YouTube. What are you going to use these for? Hashtag WorkshopAddict. Come back again. We'll do the drawing on the 28th. Make sure you get back with us. You're going to email us and leave a comment. Watch our other videos, make some comments. You're going to also be able to get in on social media, so check it out there. Thanks for your time, guys. Make sure you subscribe. Have a good day.